I do need to get a new watch. Maybe I can get my student discount. Alright, so I'm starting this vlog a little bit late. It's 1:45 in the afternoon, but I've been trying to fix this ESR thing and my nanoleaf lights in the bedside table because over the past few days it's been squeaking. So what I was told by Google was to take the thing that originally came with this ESR one, put the power brick into that this one right here, the wireless charger, and then take the one that came with that one and put it in this, and now it stopped squeaking. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so I fixed that problem with squeaking. And second, F therapy in today, but yeah, so yeah, let's go. So I just came from therapy and now I'm going to the Apple store to test out and to try on a watch. And because mine is all scratched up, I'm pretty sure you can't see it from this far, but I do need to get a new watch. Maybe I can get my student discount, so let's go. So I got the watch and it's being delivered soon, so now I'm at Stop and Shop to get some gum. Alright, so I came home and now I'm watching Spider-Man. All Spider-Man movies until a brand new day actually comes out on digital, so let's go. Alright, so it's been a few hours. I took a shower and now I'm going to go to bed. I think, hopefully, my bedside table charger won't squeak like it did in the morning, but because I changed the what is it called, the bricks, so let's hope it doesn't. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Actually, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Peace out.